Good morning, third graders. This is Mrs. Kuhn. This is the lesson for Math 3A, and if you have a workbook, that would be great. If not, you can always use a blank piece of paper. Today, your learning target is to solve and write comparison word problems. Take a look at this problem. Comparing problems. Damien has 67 stickers. Marshall has 37 stickers. What is the difference in the number of stickers they have? Well, let's take a look. When we compare, we can write an open number line. If Marshall had 37 and Damien had 67, I can find the difference. 37 plus 10 is going to give me 47, plus another 10 is going to give me 57, plus another 10 is going to give me 67. Add up those jumps. 10 plus 10 plus 10 would be 30. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30. So the difference, what is the difference between the number of stickers they have? Well, there's 30 is the difference. Now we can say that, we could say Marshall has 30 fewer stickers than Damien. Or we can say Damien has 30 more stickers than Marshall. Two ways to say that. Two ways to say that we are comparing. Let's try another problem. All right, how about Alexander weighs 64 pounds and Anthony weighs 85 pounds? What is the difference between their weights? Well, let's take a look. Let's do it on an open number line. Well, it says Alexander, he's the smaller one, so we put it on the left, 64 pounds, and it said Anthony weighed 85 pounds. Okay, let's find the difference. Remember, the difference is the distance between the two numbers. If I have 64, I want to get to the next 10. 64 plus what gets you to the next 10? Plus 6 is going to get me to 70. 70 is the next 10. Then I think I have to get to 80. Okay, that would be adding 10. That would get me to 80. Now, how much more do I need to get to 85? I would need plus 5. Now I add up those jumps. 6 plus 10 plus 5. 10 and 6 is 16 plus 5 would be 21. So the difference is 21. Alex, instead of Alexander, I'm going to say Alex, is 21 pounds. Now, what's the comparison word for comparing weights? Heavier or lighter? So he's lighter, because remember, this is Alex right here, and this is Anthony. Okay, so Alex is 21 pounds lighter than Anthony. Now, I'm not going to write this next part down, but how could we say Anthony? We could say Anthony is 21 pounds heavier than Alex, okay? All right, now we could also subtract to figure out the difference. I just want to show you two ways to do this. We could do 85 and 64. We could subtract to get to the next 10. We subtract 5, gives us 80. We could subtract 10 and subtract 6. Do you see how those number lines look very similar? Still adds to 21. 10 plus 6 plus 5 is 21. Okay, the difference is going to be the same. You pick the open number line when you're solving your problems that works best for you. Okay, so if you have a math book, I've dropped most of your math books off to you. You're going to do workspace 34. It looks like this. I'm going to put this into a Google form, so those of you who are with me online can do this on a Google form. And then, but if you don't, just do it in your workbook as well. Do an open number line up here, an equation, and then tell me the difference. Remember, the difference is the answer. So when we did these problems, the difference is what you add up. So 21 would be the difference. And you would put that right there. Okay? All right. I hope you have a great day. I will do another lesson this week for you. So you're going to have 2 lessons. That's all you're expected to do is 2 math lessons a week from me. Keep safe. I miss you. I hope to see you soon. Bye.